Hi everyone, tonight I'll show you this LED mosquito killer. It's sort of like an unboxing video of sorts. So this is the item itself and the specifications. You can see here it's a 30 watt units, and it supports a range of voltage. So comes with some kind of chain hook, I think. And then alright, this is a unit itself, and I'm gonna show you close-ups of the unit. So it comes with this plug, so I'm gonna disentangle, gonna unwind this. Alright, so plug aside. So this is the quality that you're getting. Alright. Specifications. Alright. So warning. Right, let's see. Do not touch. Let me zoom in. Footage is grainy. Maybe it's a low light. Alright, do not touch with your fingers. Very good advice. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on and show you guys what it looks like when it's on. So stay tuned. It in, turn it on. So here there's a switch which I'm gonna turn on, and this is what it looks like when it's on. So yeah, remember not to touch the insides with your fingers. I think I'm pretty much risking it by holding it like this as well, so I'm gonna put it down. I'll set it up. Yeah, so this is how it looks like when you put it on the floor, this and that. And I think there's a chain. Maybe there's a chain. Let me open and see. So you can hang this somewhere. Okay. So it comes with this chain, which you can attach inside. I'm gonna turn it off before I do anything to it. So I plan to pair this with a timer so that you can do its work when I'm not around. And because I don't want to turn it on all the time, so yeah. Alright, so let's see. Okay, you see here, there's like a slot for you to put a chain. So you need to slot it through the hole in order to get it fixed. How does that work? Oh, okay. It comes with this thing, which is an easy fix. So just slot it through. Here, slot it through. Alright, and then attach it to the chain that it's. Alright, there you go. Remember when you actually turn it on, do not let the chain fall here into the gaps, and you turn it on and you're gonna get a nasty surprise. Okay, so this is how it's set up, and now I'm gonna show how the timer works. So this is my power source, and I turn this on. Okay, let's assume that, you know, I'm gonna set it up somewhere. Then there's this timer here. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how the Nippon 2 mechanical timer works. So first off, this timer has these specifications, and I'll show you. Right, so the on mode means that it's just gonna be a pass through, where the device is gonna be turned on and disregard the timer mechanism. And when you put this on the symbol itself, it means that the timer mode is on. So right now, to set it, you need to, you know, press down the bits, and when you see like the bits is pressed down, it means that it's gonna be on. So now I'm setting it at, you know, between 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. So it means that I'm gonna be turning it on until from 11 to 6. So let's assume I have 1 more hour, so 7 p.m. So this is how it works. And then you can see there's a mechanism here which detects what time is it. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Okay, so first I'm going to plug in the device. So before you turn on the timer, before you set the timer, make sure that the device is on. Then plug into the power. Because this design is pretty bulky, so before I plug in, I need to, you know, turn on the switch first, ensure there's power, then plug it in. So now it's on, because now is the time which is in between the time we want. So you can see here it's at 15, like 3 p.m. Okay, let's assume that, you know, it's after 7. See, it turned off. Then the timer will just move. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see. So move, the timer will actually, like, you know, go forward. And then when you reach 11, okay, let's see. Okay, look closely. So when this mechanism is depressed, pressed in, then the light will be on. Yeah. So this is how the timer works. And if I, you know, hold the timer close enough to the camera, you can actually hear a sound. Let me see. Can you hear the sound? Oh, maybe not. Because I have another unit where the sound is pretty audible. So, alright, this is how the physical or mechanical electric timer works with this particular device. But of course, like, you know, you can plug this to it, any device, and you just turn on, provided that the device has a mechanical turn on switch. So there you go. Hope that helps. A very interesting thing I noticed is that when I put it on turn on mode or pass through mode, the needle actually is pushed up, which turns on the mechanism. So when it's on a timer mode, it's down, means that it's off. Then for example, when I actually, like, you know, when I reach a time that I want, which is nighttime, I want to turn on the device at night because, you know, it's a mosquito killer, so-called. So when it reaches 6 p.m, it's pushed up, then it's on. But, you know, as the time passes and daylight approach, it will off. However, if I, for whatever reason, I want to turn on the device by itself, and I put on mode, you can see the needle is pushed up and it turns on the device. It's a very beautiful mechanical construct. So, timer modes all set. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. And before you go, I would like to remind you that the Lord Jesus Christ was crucified and resurrected. He loves you and He heals. So take care. Bye. God bless.